Hello! Tiba's back with another video. This is, again, how to create an OS. In part 3, we'll be covering the shutdown and startup sequences. For the shutdown, this is what you do. So, you put a new slide. Delete all the items on it. If it's blank, good job. Transitions, make sure neither of them are enabled, but enable after. You can change the length to anything you want, preferably 6 seconds. Then what you do is you go to background, fill, gradient fill preferably, choose your background because I'm going to go for fire, and then fire background, and then what you want to do is you want to drag out a text box that says closing Corolla OS or whatever. This could say anything you want. If you don't like closing Corolla OS, now you need like a picture of a spinning thing or whatever you want. I'm just gonna import a picture real quick of this bar. Now I'm gonna new slide, delete all this as well because it's pretty buggy. And what you need to do is create an action button. When you have a mouse over, you want to end the show. Now you want to make it so that the shape outline is black and the fill is black. Now, that's over for the shutdown sequence. It's pretty simple. Now for the startup sequence. Delete everything. Make sure that mouse click is off, and after is the set time, preferably 6 seconds. And what you want to do is make the background the same as the shutting down sequence, and you just want to add a loading bar or circle or something like that. And then you hit new slide under that. You take out every one of those. Make sure that on mouse click and after not there, and you can always pick a simple color, like I'm going to choose blue here. So what you want to do is go to the developer tab, and you want to add 2 text boxes. We will edit the properties later on in this video. And you need to create 2 buttons too. It's best if you create your menu like this. If I hold on Control, I can move all these down at once. And what you want to do is create a text box, center it, make it white, of course, and enlarge the size to wherever, and type your OS name, and then enter login. Edit the properties for command button 1. Rename it to, the name has to be login. The font will be Calibri. The back color will be color will be white. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, delete that. And I'm gonna copy and paste. Now, make sure that it says command button. Make sure that it says add user, no spaces. The caption should be add user. And for this button, no, we didn't want that. We wanted to do this. Now, the text boxes, this one is the login username. To make the back color the same as the other ones, change the font to the same as the other ones. Make the border color the same as the background. More colors the font, so white will do. I'm going to rename this to login username. We're going to delete this. And we're going to rename this to login pass. Now what you want to do is go to PowerPoint and type in a character, preferably asterisk. Now for the coding. For the add user, actually you need 4 labels. No, 3. We're going to have 2 labels that say label 1 and label, let's say both say default. Rename label 1 to user, name, login, and make sure, and you don't need to control any of this. And the caption needs to be username. Now, copy, paste. How easy was that? Now you want to change this to password login. And caption should be password. Now, make sure it's not visible. Make sure neither of them are visible. Now, for the third label, it's going to be a message box. I prefer this over spotting a message box with a Windows shell, because that looks realistic, not like any OS. So make the back color something similar. Font Calibri. Clipboard color, white. Border color, blue. And the caption should be log in with user name or password. I'm going to copy and paste, put it on the clipboard. And on the Add User button, double click it to bring up this VBA project window. What you want to do is start typing in this command. So, change username login dot caption equals properties login username name dot text use password login dot caption equals login password dot text. Want to remove this? Pass. Label 1 dot captain equals user created login with your intern details. And then login username dot text equals, make sure it says nothing, and re-enter it with login pass. Now that is done. We're gonna want for login, I want to do if login username dot text equals login username login dot caption and login path dot text equals password login dot caption, then label 1.caption equals let me use with the caption. Control C. I want to copy these 2 lines because they. Let me use the code from another PowerPoint. I'll be right back. File and opening. So I'm gonna look for my this command. Back. Then I go back. Save it off. So, and it should work. So, let's try it out. Let me check the time real quick. It's loading. Now, we have to type our username and password. We just hit add user. It will say user created, login with your insert details. Then you can hit login. Want to close that out? The only thing now we have to do is link this to hyperlink it to the second last slide. Then